How to build a personal brand. What is a personal brand? Hi there. Welcome to this video on building a personal brand. In this 3-minute video, we'll explore what a personal brand is, why it matters, and how you can create one for yourself. A personal brand is like a unique label that represents you and your values as an individual. Think of it like a business's brand but for a person. It's how others perceive you and what makes you stand out from the crowd. Why does a personal brand matter? So, why do you need a personal brand? Well, in today's digital age, it's easier than ever to connect with others and build relationships. But with so many people online, it can be hard to stand out and be noticed. Having a clear personal brand helps you establish credibility and build trust with others. It's like wearing a badge that says, "I'm an expert in this area," or "I'm passionate about that." Identify your unique value proposition. To build a strong personal brand, you need to identify what makes you unique. This is called your unique value proposition. Your UVP is what sets you apart from others and makes you special. Think about your skills, interests, and values. What do you have to offer that others don't? Write down 3-5 things that come to mind. Define your personal brand statement. Now that you have your UVP, it's time to craft a personal brand statement. This is a short sentence or phrase that summarizes who you are and what you're about. For example, "I'm a digital marketing expert with a passion for sustainability," or "I'm a creative problem solver with a love for travel." Keep it concise and authentic. Develop your visual brand. Your visual brand is how you present yourself to the world. This includes your logo, color scheme, and typography. Think of it like a visual identity that reflects your personality and values. Consider using a consistent color scheme, font, and logo across all your online platforms. Engage with your audience. Now that you have your personal brand set up, it's time to engage with your audience. This means creating content that resonates with them, responding to comments and messages, and building relationships. Think of it like having a conversation with someone online. Consistency is key. Finally, remember that consistency is key when it comes to building a strong personal brand. Be consistent in your messaging, visuals, and tone across all your online platforms. It's like wearing a uniform. You want to look professional and polished. Recap and call to action. That's it for today's video on building a personal brand. To recap, we covered what a personal brand is, why it matters, how to identify your UVP, define your personal brand statement, develop your visual brand, engage with your audience, and be consistent. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. We'd love to hear from you.